Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on this Navitel tablet. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now find Microsoft Edge. Install it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open the app. Here, customize it, so sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Set up for data sharing preference. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And from here, start using it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.